How to find someone's location by phone number. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find someone's location by using their phone number. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, the first step is, of course, you will need to have their phone number, and if you do, you can open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I will be using Safari. So after you find after you just have the phone number, simply go to the Safari or any other web browser and then search for Truecaller. Now let me just go to Truecaller, and there you will see the website of Truecaller. You can even download the app if you want to, but for this video I'll be just using the website. So open that website app, and there you should see the world's best caller ID and spam blocking app. Now here what you can do is simply put in the number here. Just put the number that you copied and or the one location of that very number. So type that number here and tap on search. Now you might have to sign in using your Google account. After you do that, you will get that location. So as you can see right here, if I search for a number, it will just give me the address right there. If you tap on that address, it will take you to Google Maps and it will take you to that location. And that is basically how you can find someone's location by phone number. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.